Hi YouTube, hope you're all well. Got a bit of a special book overview today. This is it's a Kickstarter project that I backed by Bitmap Books, Sam, Bitmap Books. Thanks for bringing this together, Sam. I received this today, and it is the Commodore Amiga, a Visual Compendium. So we'll have a little look at that in a minute. Before I get to the book, I've got a few little bits that I got with the book for being a backer on Kickstarter. So I got a sticker, I love Commodore Amiga. Got a pen, just with the Amiga logo on there. Got a little funky metallic bookmark, again with the Amiga logo. I've got a postcard, which is signed by Sam Dyer, saying a thank you, which is fantastic. Got Shadow of the Beast remix soundtrack album by Tim Wright and David Whittaker. That's obviously going to be a rare beast in the future. And the last thing we got, which is pretty special, it's a metallic, well, it's got a metallic featured logo of Another World, the well, arguably my favourite game from the Amiga. Okay, so let's have a quick look at the book. First thing to say, it comes in this pretty sweet slipcase. So I'm going to just cut now and take it out of the slipcase because it will take both hands. Right, so we've got the book out of the slipcase. Now, one thing to say, the book that I got, it's a hardback book. It comes with a dust cover as well. It's pretty cool. Inside the dust cover, you get signatures of the people involved. So, as you can tell, a lot of care and attention, a lot of love has gone to this book, for the subject matter. So, I'm just going to have a quick flick through. Again, nothing, I'm not going to go through every single page. Some great pixel art in here. Again, I think all the major software houses are covered from back in the day. Paint 3, remember that. Shadow of the Beast. Stunt Car Racer. Spent more time off the track than on it. X-Copy. Remember running home from school with some copied games with some blank discs. A bit of Rainbow Island mappage there. DNA design. Of course, famous for Lemmings back in the day. So this book is absolutely packed, so I can't really spend too long on each page. Plus, it'll ruin the book for you. kick-off to Shadow of the Beast 2. All of those games had great artwork, of course. CD-TV, Commodore's rival to the Philips CDI. Both failed spectacularly. Again, another feature on my favourite game, arguably from the Amiga, Another World. Lotus Turbo Challenge 2. Again, I'm going to skip a load of pages here. Moonstone, an amazing game. Sensible software, look at that. So I'm going to skip a load of pages out here, guys, because I don't want to spoil the book. Plus it's so thick, I would be here all day. Hunter, first sandbox game, first I ever played. So precursor to GTA, as it is now. Alright, yeah, we've got some great cover art here, guys. Look at that. Fantastic. Kick-off 2, Turrican. Bit of Zool there. Again, there's so much in this book. It's ridiculous the amount of content in here. I'm just going to flick through quickly so you get an idea. A bit of micro machines there. So there we go, guys. Again, there's over 400 pages of content here. So I'd like to say a big thanks again to Sam Dyer, Bitmap Games, for actually making this happen. It really has caught the imagination of the retro gaming community and Amiga fans. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and get yourself to Bitmap Books and get yourself a copy of this game, because there's more on the way. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Take care.